Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and setting up the Viido Lifestyle Smartwatch. So this is now available in our stores. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in one of these. Before we go on with the video, if you do like our content, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. Let's go on with the unboxing. So the box looks pretty nice, pretty neat. And it's quite big actually. The Viido Lifestyle Smartwatch is compatible with iOS and Android. If we look on the other side, it has integrated multi-sports and sleep mode, links with phone to receive notifications, it has alarm setting, it has a remote shutter, find your phone function, it has a long battery life, blood pressure reader, blood oxygen reader, it has a digital display, calories burn out counting, step counter, distance counter, sleep mode, heart rate reader, links with your phone, remote shutter, find your phone function, and fast charging. Pretty nice. And if we look here at the back, it has some information. Charging time is 2 hours, usage time is 3 to 5 days. The battery type is lithium battery, input 5 volts and output 3.7 volts. You cannot use it in water, it's not waterproof. The screen size is 1.3 inch. Pretty nice, and this is it really for the box. Let's go ahead and unbox now. So opening the box, let's have a look. So we've got the smartwatch here at the top. We're just gonna lift this up. And inside the box, we've got the manual. We've got a charging cable, and we've got the watch over here. I'm just going to remove it. It's quite a big box just for the smartwatch. The bracelet is already fitted and looks pretty cool. Yeah, so let's have a look here. So we've got the charging cable. It's got the magnets on it. We've got the manual. So the manual has got the SKU number and it's got the QR code for you to download the application. It does say here, for first use, please use the provided USB charging cable and charge the watch before using it. So let's put this on the side and have a look at the watch. So the watch is actually quite, it has quite a bit of weight in it, which is good. It's metal all round and glass at the top. The straps are made out of silicone. They look pretty resistant and they can be changed, as you can see here. So at the back, we've got the charging ports, we've got the sensors out here, and the make, Viido, and the frame, as I mentioned, it's all made of metal, which is great to see. So let's remove here this protective plastic. So this watch is a touch screen, and the touch screen on this watch is only at the bottom right here. So you can't actually operate it from here. You can't move it around, you can't scroll up or down or anything. So to operate it, you do need to tap over here on the bottom. You can change all of the settings from here, and besides changing the settings, you can power on and power off your smartwatch by pressing the button here. So yeah, this is it here for the smartwatch. Let's go ahead and set this up with a smartphone. So as I mentioned, the smartwatch can be set up with an iPhone or with an Android device, and to set up the application you need to scan the QR code over here. So let's go ahead and scan the QR code. To scan the QR code, just open the phone application on your smartphone, tap here on the QR code to open the application. So now it gives me the option to download for Android or for iOS. I am going to download for my iPhone. Okay, so this opens iTunes Store. I'm going to tap on Get so I can download the application and install it. So the application has downloaded. I am going to tap on Open, and it asks me if I want to allow notifications and access my location. I am going to allow it. It would like to access Bluetooth. I'm going to allow it to access Bluetooth. It would like to send notifications. I'm going to allow it to send notifications, and I have to agree to the policy. Okay, so the application is now installed. As the application is now installed, so I need to pair my smartwatch to my smartphone. And how do I do that? So first things first, charge your smartwatch. Once you have charged your smartwatch, to turn it on, tap on the power button here at the bottom for 3 seconds, and this will power on your smartwatch. And once it's powered up, so we are going to tap here on the application at the very top, then tap on devices. This is now searching for my devices. It has found my device, and I am going to tap on the device here to pair it. Okay, would you like to pair? Yes, it's pairing Bluetooth. Okay, so my device is now paired. Would you like to receive notifications? Yes, I'm going to allow it to receive notifications, and my device is now paired. So I've got my smartwatch paired with my phone. And this is it for the pairing. Very simple and easy to do. Okay, so now let's have a look at some of the features of the smartwatch. So the Viido smartwatch does have an exercise feature where you can check your pedometer, mileage, calories, exercise mode like walking, ropes, sit-ups, etc. It does have a health monitor where you can check your heart rate measurement, blood pressure, sleep monitoring, and blood oxygen. It does have a reminder for sedentary reminder, alarm clock, call reminder, and push notifications. And you can also control your music whilst raising the wrist to light up the screen, and it has a 5-day weather forecast. So let's have a look into the watch itself then. So to power on the watch after it's fully charged, you just tap on the power button here at the top for 3 seconds, and this will light up the phone. And if you tap it again whilst in the menu, it will change between the different features that it has. In this case, I am in the heart rate monitoring mode, and if I want to change it, I just tap here at the bottom again, and this changes to sports mode. And in sports mode, if I just tap on the button here for a few seconds, it will change between the different features, like for example steps. If I tap it again, it will change to skip, tap it again, sit up, and tap it again to return. So to get out of that mode, I just long press for 3 seconds on the button here, and it will change back into the main menu. And here I can check the weather, and to check the weather, for example, I just tap it for a few seconds, and I can check here the weather forecast for today, for example. And to jump out, just long press again to go into the main menu. I can now change to music mode, for example. If I have music on my mobile phone and I want to control it, I'm just going to tap here for 3 seconds, and here I've got the play, fast forward, and rewind buttons. To go back into the main menu and tap it again, we've got here some more features. If I long press here, so if I go into the menu for looking for what I can do here, for example, if I misplace my phone and I want to find it, I just long press here for looking for, and this will search for my mobile phone, and it will now start here to call my phone. So it's now ringing. This is a nice feature for you to find your phone. So long press again, and this will take you back to the menu. Press once here, it gives you the information about the MAC address. And if you long tap, you can turn off your phone or no. So in this case, I'm going to select no, and then long press it again. It will take you back to the menu. Tap again and long press here to return. This takes you back to the main menu. From here, I can then go over onto the other settings. Pretty neat. So let's have a look here to see how does the heart monitoring work. Just hold on for a few seconds here, and this will give me information about my blood sugar, my heart rate, etc. Here we go. So that's now finished. So this is it really for this smartwatch. Let's have a quick look here into the application. So if we open the application, what we've got here, so it's distance monitoring, calories monitoring, and goals. And if we tap on the menu here, you've got your profile where you can set your gender, your age, your height, weight, etc. And we've got alert settings, so you can select here what you want to be alerted on. For example, if you have incoming calls and you want to receive alerts on your smartwatch, you can select that. You've got other, so these are for messaging, and you've got a vibration alert as well that you can set up. Shake to take a selfie if you would like to take a selfie, for example. So in this case, I've enabled the selfie mode, and if I want to take a selfie, I can just shake my device. As you can see here, it's now taking a photo, and it asks if I want to add the photos, if I want to save it. Yes, I do want to save it. You've got an alarm here that you can set up, and let's say, for example, you want to set up an alarm for actually let's put 3 p.m. save, and this will then the alarm will then trigger at 3 p.m. Find band, so if you want to find your device, it's actually vibrating at this moment. Other features, you've got the sedentary reminder and wake screen on wrist raise if you want to use that feature. You've got the band display features if you want to change what the wallpaper looks like, and you can also have a custom background if you want. Weather configuration, so this provides you information in Fahrenheit as well as degrees Celsius if you want to change that. And this is it really for the application. The smartwatch is now available in our stores if you are interested in one of these. I'll leave a link in the description. This is it for today. If you did enjoy our video, please do hit that like button, and please do subscribe to our channel. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you soon.